Hello everyone, this very important topic, that is what is the difference between coupon and yield. So we will learn that what is coupon, what is yield, and what is the difference between coupon and yield. So let's start with coupon. There is a bond. For example, this is a bond and I'm assuming that this is a fixed rate bond. Fixed rate bond with 5 years maturity. So the interest rate, for example, 5% is stated on the coupon. That stated interest rate on the bond is called the coupon rate. If this is a piece of paper, this is called a bond having a 5-year maturity. It will raise money from you. It will give you 5-year interest rate, and at maturity it will give you your principal amount back. So this interest rate is called the coupon rate, and it is a fixed coupon rate. Whether it is year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4 or year 5, every year you will get 5% on the par value. If par value is $1,000, you will get 5% of the $1,000, that is $50 every year. $50 in year 1, $50 in year 2, $50 in year 3, and so on till year 5. So coupon is the fixed interest rate that a bond issuer agrees to pay to the bondholder. So if a company has issued a bond, for example, a Nestle has issued a bond, Nestle will pay you $50 every year. And who are you? You are the bondholder. You are the purchaser of the bond. So coupon is a fixed rate interest rate which issuer will pay and holder will receive. Okay, what is yield? Yield represents an investor actual return from the bond, which can vary. So yield is often called yield till maturity. Yield till maturity. It is often called gross redemption yield. This is actually a total return. This is actually a total return. For example, par is $1,000. Market value is also $1,000. So that means you have purchased this bond at $1,000 market value, and you will get your bond back. You will get your principal amount back, redemption value at $1,000. So that means you have invested 1,000 and you will get back 1,000. So in that case, the coupon is 5. The yield will also equal to 5%. So in this case, coupon and yield will be equal, will be same. So when you buy the bond at equivalent to the par value, you have invested 1,000, you will get back 1,000 at the end of bond's life. For example, if it's a 5 years bond, in 1 year, in year 0, you have invested 1,000. Every year you will get 50, 50, and in the last year you will get 50 plus 1,000. So if the market value and the redemption value both are same, you have invested 1,000, you are getting back 1,000. So coupon and YTM both will be same. This is the number 1 case. Number 2 cases. When market value is, for example, 900. You have invested 900, but you will get back 1,000. You have invested 900. Every year you will get 50. And in the last year you will get 1,000. Here in this case, YTM would be higher than coupon. Why? Because coupon is 5%. You will get the coupon. But you will also get the difference between invested amount 900 and the 1000. So YTM is higher than the coupon. So let me explain again. For example, the number one case, if you have invested 1000 and we normally invest at market value, redemption value is also 1000. So in that case, coupon is equal to YTM. Coupon is 5. Market value is also at 5%. So if these are 5 years, you have invested 1000. Every year you are getting 50. So if invested amount and the redemption amount same, coupon and YTM would be same. Second case, if you have invested 900 and you are getting 1000 at the end. So here YTM would be higher than coupon. Why? Coupon is 50. But YTM will be 5% plus this capital gain. Plus this capital gain. What do I mean by capital gain? I have invested 900 and I am getting back 1000. So that 100 is a capital gain. You will also receive this. So if I solve this on a financial calculator, so the answer would be, the yield would be higher than 5%. So that is approximately 7.5%. YTM is approximately 7.5%. You can also calculate in this way, so that coupon is 5, return is 5%, plus you have invested 900, you are getting back 1000. So technically you are receiving $100 capital gain over the 5-year period. 100 over 5, that means approximately 2%. So 5 plus 2. So yield is near about 7%. But accurately it is 7.5%. So second example, second case is, if the market price dropped to 900, so yield would be higher than coupon. So if you are buying the bond at 900, I have explained this earlier, your YTM would be higher than coupon. Why YTM is higher? Now YTM has two parts. YTM has two parts. One is coupon, one is capital gain. So YTM would be higher. You are buying the bond cheaper, you are selling the bond at higher price. So YTM is higher. If the bond market value is 1100, so you are buying the bond at 1100. Every year you are getting 50. And last year you are getting 1000 back. Here it is a capital loss. So here YTM is lower than coupon. Coupon is 5, but YTM is lower. Why? Because YTM comprises of coupon minus capital loss. Minus capital loss, because you have invested 1100, you are getting back 1000. So here it is a loss. Coupon is your income, but you will receive less amount because you have invested 1100 and you are getting back 1000. So YTM would be lower. In summary, coupon represents the fixed interest payment. Coupon will not change. Yield shows the actual return, which varies. If market value increases, yield will decrease. If market value decreases, yield will rise. So YTM has inverse relation with the market value. If yield rises, market value will fall. If yield fall, market value will rise. Let me tell you the actual example. You know, Pakistani government bond is available in the international market. That is called Eurobond. So that is available at $97. And that is redeemable at 100. Coupon is at 8%. So what do you think? What would be the market value? It is equal to 8%? No. You will get 8%. Plus, you will also get the difference between invested amount 97 and redemption value 100. So YTM would be higher than coupon. YTM would be higher than coupon. So higher the required return, higher the YTM, lower would be the market value. Lower is the market value, higher would be the YTM. So YTM has inverse relation with the market value. So in summary, if redemption is at 100, 1000, market value is 1000, coupon is equal to YTM. Number one case. Number two case, redemption is 1000, and you are buying the bond cheaper at a lower rate. YTM would be greater. Return would be greater because you are buying the bond at cheaper rate and redeeming at a higher rate. Third, if redemption is at 1000, market value at 1100, you are buying the bond at higher price and redeeming at lower. So here coupon is greater than YTM. YTM is lower. So coupon is fixed interest rate. YTM is equal to coupon plus if there is any capital gain minus if there is a capital loss. What is capital gain? Second case, buying the bond at lower price and selling at higher. What is capital loss? Buying the bond at higher price and selling at lower. So that is the difference between coupon and YTM. And you know, when market value changes, YTM will change. Or when yield changes, market value will change, but coupon will remain same. So when I am making this video, currently interest rates in the markets are declining. So that means yield in the markets are declining. So if the yield in the markets are declining, the market value of the bonds, market value of the fixed rate bond are increasing. Okay. If the yield are declining, market values are rising. So that is the comparison between coupon and yield. Thank you so much. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel.